thank you for continuing with our Sivananda sequence. So this is where we start to come up with our standing postures, and this one that we're working with is Uttanasana, which is our standing forward fold. So again, if you have any injuries, particularly back injuries, go easy into Uttanasana, our forward fold. So starting in tabletop position and just lifting the knees. Come into a very bent-legged downward dog. Then walk the feet towards the hands in the middle of the mat. Keeping either the feet hip width apart. I'm going to be keeping them hip width apart for my own injury. Or you can bring the toes together and the heels again are slightly out. But here, just press through the fingertips. You keep a bend into the knee and you inhale through the spine. Reach away with the crown of the head, lift into the sit bones. And then exhale, you fold the belly and the chest over the thighs. Relax the head, relax the neck, and if you wish to, you can press into the mat. You lift into the sit bones. Straighten through the back of the legs and let the body hang heavy. Let gravity do its work for you. If you wish to, you can increase that gravity. Take hold of the elbows and let the body hang. If you've got any tightness into the hamstrings, take a bend into the knees, trying to not to lock into the knees if they are straight. Release any tension into the toes. Stay grounded through all of the sole of the feet. Feel that length traveling all the way from the Achilles tendon right up to the base of the glutes and the buttocks. Deep breaths. With each exhale, maybe you come a little bit closer, drawing the crown of the head down towards the mat and lifting the sit bones up towards the sky. And then very slowly bend into the knees and just release.